Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simran. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all my honest morning skincare routine. Without any further ado, if you want to know what is my morning skincare routine, then please keep on watching. First I want to give you one disclaimer. The product I'm going to use in today's video are working really good for me, and that is working on my skin type. So everybody have a different skin type. I'm not going to give you any guarantee that these products will work the same for you. Maybe it will not suit you, so patch test is really necessary. So guys, अगर आपको ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं एंड शूट करते हैं देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड अगर इनमें से कोई प्रोडक्ट आपको सूट नहीं करता है, अगर आप पैच टेस्ट करेंगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज माई फर्स्ट डिस्क्लेमर दैट डोंट थिंक आई एम लाइंग टू यू अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट्स. दीज आर माई फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई एम अप्लाइंग देम एवरी डे एंड आई एम सीइंग मल्टीपल गुड रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम देम. These are the products that are working out for me. I give no guarantee to you that they will work the same for you. So yeah, this is the first disclaimer that I want to give you. So next let's talk about my steps, what steps I follow to take care of my skin in the morning time. So first step, I do cleanse my face. So first step is cleansing, the second step is toning, and the third step is moisturizing, and the fourth step is really important, that is sunscreen. So these are the four steps that I follow. And in the first step, that is cleansing my face. So for cleanser I like to use this simple cleanser. So this is called the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. It's 100% soap free. That's why I like to use this product. My skin is being so sensitive these days and I'm really aware of the product that I'm applying on my skin. So this is the one, that's why I'm going for this one. So this is called the Simple Refreshing Face Wash for sensitive skin. They have also a variety of face washes that you can try out, but this is the face wash that is really good for me, working really great for me, and I'm loving this face wash. This is just helps to clean your face thoroughly and will give you that refreshing feel, and also will not going to strip out the moisture from your face, and in this season we definitely need that. So that's why this face wash is really helpful. अगर आप कोई भी skin type के हो, you can use this one, and if you have sensitive skin type, you should definitely give this a try. This will definitely going to work for you. The second step, I like to use a toner. So the toner that I use is this one. So this is called the Good Vibes Lavender Toner. So this is called the Good Vibes Lavender Soothing Toner. So it's again from the Good Vibes, and you guys know I love Good Vibes Rose Water Toner, and also another one is Honey Toner, and this is the third toner that I'm loving from Good Vibes. I also like their, I think, Green Tea Toner. That is also really a nice toner, and this is the one that I'm loving this day. Yes, it not only gives you a glowing skin but also moisturize your skin at the same time. In this particular season, this winter season, we need something that will moisturize our skin, क्योंकि हमारे skin अंदर से dry हो सकता है. So that's why this toner is really good. I just love this toner in this particular season. You can definitely try this toner. It will not going to give you any irritation, any itchiness. So this is a really good toner. So this is what my second step. I like to use this toner. Next I will talk about my third step, that is moisturizing. In moisturizing I have two parts. The first one is serum part, and the second one is a like regular moisturizer. So the first part is serum. So the serum that I absolutely swear by and I'm using these days continuously is this serum. This is called the 10% niacinamide serum by the Derma Co. This is how it looks like, and it's called the 10% niacinamide serum. It's for acne marks. If you guys don't know, I had really bad acne on my cheeks and my forehead. At that time I was so worried about the marks that they will give me. So that's when I got my hands on this product, and oh my god, this is a gem, you guys. This product is so nice. I can't even tell you how beautiful this works, and this is an active ingredient, so you have to be gentle while applying this one. अगर आप इसको अप्लाई करेंगे then इसके बाद sunscreen is must, and also if you are applying at night time then it's totally fine. It has niacinamide in it. So अगर आपने पहले कभी niacinamide नहीं apply किया है then do a patch test before using any sort of active ingredient or any sort of products on your face. So मैं इसको patch test करके ही use की हूँ, and this suits me and it's just so good, you guys. It helps to fade out my acne marks as well. इसको मैं रात में भी अप्लाई करती हूँ alternate days पे. I love this product. Guys, this is my third step, and this is what I like to apply on my serum part at daytime. So next let's talk about my moisturizing part. So moisturizer के लिए like these days I'm using this moisturizer. So this is called the Chia Seed Moisturizer by the Face Shop. So this is how it looks like, and this is expensive you guys. This cost for rupees 2500, but guys this is worth the money. इसको मैं दिन रात दोनों में यूज करती हूँ. I also use another moisturizer at daytime that is called Simple Moisturizer. So this is how it looks like. मैं इसको अपने previous videos में भी बताई हूँ, आपको शेयर की थी आपके साथ. So इन दोनों में से मैं स्विच करती रहती हूँ, कभी उसको लगाती हूँ कभी इसको लगाती हूँ. So these are the two moisturizer that I swear by and I love to use. वो Simple Moisturizer sensitive skin के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. अगर आपका sensitive skin type है then you can definitely go for it. I also made one reel for sensitive skin. अगर आपको नहीं पता है कि क्या क्या स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स आप यूज कर सकते हैं, you can definitely watch that reel, that will help you. Moisturize my lips, I also use this lip balm by Mamaearth these days. So this is called the Mamaearth Rose Tinted 100% natural lip balm. I shared this one in my monthly favorites and also in another video as well. This is a really good lip balm. Also moisturize my lips really well and gives that rosy tint to my lips. So I like to use this lip balm for my lips and this is working really good for me, so that's why. So then the last step is to apply a good sunscreen. So for sunscreen, you guys know I love this Riquilka Ultra Matte Anti-Touch Sunblock. So this is how it looks like. Guys, this comes with SPF 50 and PA+++. Guys, it will protect you from UVA and UVB rays from the sun. So it's a really good sunscreen, good for oily skin type basically. अगर आपका skin oily है then you can definitely try the sunscreen. क्योंकि if you guys don't know, oily skin वालों को sunscreen लगाने में बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती है क्योंकि sunscreen थोड़े से चिपचिप होते हैं. Other sunscreens are like little sticky you can say. वो skin में अच्छा नहीं लगता है and we don't feel that good applying that sunscreen. So that's when I got my hands on this product and this is a really good sunscreen you guys. This is not oily, this is non-greasy formula, so you can definitely try the sunscreen. This is what I like to apply in my daytime. So yeah, I'm using this sunscreen. It also water and sweat resistant. It perfect under your makeup and it's non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenic products are not going to give you any pimple on your skin. So this is my last step and this is the product that I use for my sunscreen. So yeah, this is what I basically do for taking care of my skin at morning time in this winter season. So if you want me to make one nighttime skincare routine version, then definitely comment down below. I'll surely make that video for you guys. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. That will mean a lot to me. I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.